Hello and welcome to a new video of human baked garden plants. This time I'm going to prune a young apple tree. This is one that I have of two. This one I'm going to prune because I want more branches. I'm going to cut it right here, just above these two. And this one I am going to use for cutting, I think. We shall see. And then I have a second apple tree, which I'm going to show you. This is the second one. It already has 3 branches. And this one is very tall, so I'm going to cut it. And I think I'm going to cut it right here. And this is where I'm going to cut. And in the meanwhile, I have changed my mind and also cut this one off. And then also cut a little piece of the other one too, because I want it to be even. Just right here, it's more even now, so I'm glad. Thank you for watching, bye bye.